Three, two, one, lift off! The rocket roars off into the skies, into the atmosphere to gain more information about space. I'm going to tell you about these amazing but very dangerous vehicles. The rocket shuttles have 5 rocket engines. When they reach space, the 3 backup engines fall back to Earth. If the backup engines aren't up to beat up, they get reused again and again to save money. Some spacecraft require repeated firings of their engines. Besides solid propellants, liquid propellants are fed to the combustion chamber, and it is burned for as long as necessary. When the fuel meets the oxidizer, the rocket flies, and with solid fuel there is an igniter, and there is gas in the tank, and it shoots out the nozzle cone. Did you know that rockets can carry more than 6,000 pounds and goes up to 22,000 miles per hour? And these engines are very powerful because they have to carry 165,000 pounds into the air. In a rocket engine, fuel and a source of oxygen called an oxidizer are mixed in exploded combustion chamber. The combustion produces hot exhaust, which is passed through a nozzle to accelerate the flow and produce thrust. There are 2 main categories of rocket engines: liquid rockets and solid rockets. Did you know that a rocket engine size can be up to 363 feet high? Boom! There are 4 different types of rockets: firework, liquid, solid, and space shuttle rockets. The firework rocket was the classic rocket. These rockets weren't very well made. These rockets during testing had a lot of fails because they were lit at the bottom and they hoped until it would fly until they switch. But liquid, solid, and space shuttle rockets are the newest ones. Liquid is used to deliver heavy items, and the way it works is that when the liquid fuel makes the oxide tank, kablam, it shoots off. Solid is used for light items. There's an igniter at the top, and when it ignites, the propellant shoots down the nozzle cone. The shuttles are used for astronauts to go to space. They use 5 engines, 2 on the shuttle and 3 backup engines to help the rocket get into the atmosphere, and then there are backup engines to help it fall back to Earth. But there are some devastating parts of space travel. The first rocket explosion was in China. Like the Challenger disaster, in 73 seconds the Challenger exploded and killed all 7 crew members, died in the explosion. Another disaster was the Columbia disaster. Another 7 crew members died in the explosion. It was a very sad day for the nation. The tragic Space Challenger disaster happened on January 28, 1986. This epic tragedy happened because part of the rocket broke and fell off. The Columbia disaster happened on February 1st, 2003. The insulation broke off from the shuttle's propellant tank and hit the edge of the shuttle's left wing. Another disaster with the Pepcon disaster was an industrial disaster in Henderson, Nevada. This happened on May 4th, 1918. 3 people died on the ship. The last disaster I'm going to tell you about is the X-15 Flight 365-97. It happened on November 15th, 1967. 1 crew member died, and his name was Michael J. Adams. This was a very sad part in space history.
Hey, so we hope that you have learned something about engines, disasters, and different types of rockets. We hope that you loved our non-stop thrills. I hope you enjoyed our awesome, thrilling, educational, sad, and awesome documentary. See you guys next time.